Nice and chill. Hey, you gonna buy a TV? Gonna buy a TV? Merry Christmas. It's been a great holidays for us. I hope you guys are spending time with family, spending time with Bella Boo, who's helping me push. Thank you. This year, we're gonna have Christmas dinner at our house. My parents are coming over. It's Christmas Eve. I have not planned at all. I'm not kidding, I'm serious. I have not even had one thing on the menu that I have planned for. So I'm here to buy everything for our Christmas dinner, starting with the roast beef. So I'm looking for a standing rib roast. And normally I get this one that is pre-seasoned. Looks good. It's easy. I can put it right into the oven. I'm good to go. But look what I found over here. What is going on? A5 Wagyu. This is kind of ridiculous. Honestly, I don't think you need this much marbling, but this is $60 a pound. That is very, very expensive, but actually a pretty damn good deal. Look at this one. This is still $60 per pound. What are you supposed to do with this? Oh my God, I feel like I should get this. I've never seen this before. I think I am gonna get this. That's kind of crazy. Okay, that A5 Wagyu is expensive no matter how you swing it, but when you're buying a huge chunk of meat, the standing rib roast, it's also expensive too. For whatever reason, this one caught my eye, but it is $180. If you're not familiar with what this is basically a whole bunch of steaks all put together. I don't know if it's the good part of the steaks or not. This is 10 pounds at $16 per pound, so that's why it's so. You want to taste it? I gotta cook it though, baby. I gotta cook this before you taste it. This girl is a meat eater. Okay, we're gonna get this. Yeah, it's too heavy for you, baby. I mean, it's real heavy, baby. Hey, this is what we're gonna eat for dinner today, okay? My thing on Christmas, standing rib roast, I like the meatiness of it, the savoriness. I love the peppery bark you get on the outside. I just love leftovers. I make usually some kind of fried rice with the leftovers, so I feel like maybe I should get a smaller one though. 10 pounds is kind of big. You wanna eat the fishies? Okay, I don't know. She's curious about the fish. That is one thing we really don't buy very much of here is seafood. Yeah, the only two items for seafood that we buy are salmon, wild salmon if I can find it, and poke, which is really expensive. We used to buy shrimp. Remember there was this cilantro shrimp dish back in the day? I don't know if it's still around. What? You want to get out? What? We need chicken. What's a Christmas without chicken? Specifically, chicken thighs. Judy requested me buy chicken thighs because she wants to cook chicken katsu, which I thought was unusual, but I'm not gonna complain. The girls love it. Gotta go in the very back though. Gotta look for the stuff that doesn't expire for a while. January 1st, that's coming up though. You want katsu tonight? Yeah. Yeah, it's chicken thighs, baby. Girl wants to look at the crabs. You wanna look at the crabs? Look. Be careful. Okay, now we need to go get some veggies. Ooh, take and bake sourdough. Remember those? You want to go in there? We always go in there and we get some fruits and veggies. Strawberries? Okay, let's see if they got good looking strawberries. They might or might not, we'll see. But first we're gonna get broccoli. You like broccoli, baby? Yeah. I know you do. All January 4th, but for whatever reason, like the customers before me, we're gonna grab from the back. Squish it through this tiny little opening. Ah! Okay, hey, can you hold the broccoli, please? Thank you. Oh yeah, you're just gonna drop it? Okay. Okay, be careful, babe. Strawberries aren't looking so good, but how can I argue with this girl who wants strawberries? We don't drop fruit though, okay? The broccoli, kind of okay, but fruit, we gotta be gentle, okay? Strawberries typically don't look good when it's off season, but you know what does look good almost always are blueberries. I'm gonna buy some because we're all a little bit under the weather, just a little. And it'd be nice to have some healthy old blueberries. What about blueberries, baby? Huh? Yeah, don't drop these though. Oh, your shoe! Gotta get your shoe, baby. We'll get grapes somewhere else. Something I always get when I'm entertaining people is this big old bag of garlic. Definitely gonna get the one that expires way, way later. Let's see what these guys are. When you're cooking for a lot of people, one thing that is annoying for any chef, peeling garlic. So I love this pack. I don't end up using the whole thing, but yeah. I find that as long as you keep it in the fridge for as long as possible, you're gonna be okay. What I mean is don't leave it out on the counter too long. I just take out what I need from the bag from inside the fridge, and I leave the bag in the fridge because I find if it gets left out on the counter too long, it starts to really get old, I think, and break down. It gets sweaty. But for the price of $17 or whatever it is, and the convenience of not having to peel, it's definitely a win. What's that, baby?
Raspberries.
Raspberries? How can I say no to that? In fact, Daddy's gonna eat some raspberries as well.
Yeah, me too.
You too?
Yeah.
Hey, wait, don't grab those. These ones are better right here. Raspberries, here.
Yeah.
No, not blackberries. Those aren't organic, baby.
Wow.
Berries, you want it to be organic.
Yeah.
Yeah, organic. Hey, don't drop those, babe. Does this look like Christmas dinner yet?
Cherry.
You want cherries?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, cherries are not in season. Those don't look that good. I think I'm gonna do a pack of shiitakes with that steak. This will be nice. You know, another thing that I do when I shop for holiday dinners, Thanksgiving dinner, obviously right now Christmas dinner, I try to shop for the whole week afterwards so I don't have to go out. So I can just hang out with the kids and not really go out. Inevitably, I usually do go to the grocery store, but I want it to be quick. So with that being said, gotta probably grab at least one thing of bananas, if not two, but these aren't looking too ripe. So I'll buy some bananas at the regular grocery store as well. I always like having bananas. So lately, I've been so busy that I don't always have time to work out as often as I would like to. So I've been skipping breakfast and lunch. My breakfast and lunch is coffee and bananas, that's it. Coffee, bananas, and water. Been lean and mean lately. So I've actually been eating at least one banana a day, if not two. Definitely gonna be juicing. There's no better deal than these organic Fuji apples. Of course, gotta grab from the back. This whole bag, 4 pounds of Fuji apples, organic, $6.99. It is really the best deal for apples. You want your shoes? Well, you've lost your shoes. You keep taking them off. So they're gonna stay down there and not on your feet. So I was gonna grab some croissants, but you know what I really want instead of those is a croissant loaf. That was amazing. In fact, I'm gonna go look for it right now because it's so good. Our first sample. Well, you're gonna like this strawberry spread. Here you go, baby. What do you say? Thank you very much. Bite it. Don't just lick off the spread. This is what I'm here for though, right here. This croissant bread. If you see this at your Costco, grab it. It is the most amazing thing ever. Imagine croissants sliced up is perfect. I mean, obviously it's not a croissant, but it's got all the goodness of a croissant, and you can make grilled cheese out of this, sandwiches. I think what would be good is French toast. In 2024, I would say this is probably one of my favorite buys that we found, at least for a new item. And I'm not really big on sliced bread because my mom bakes this bread. If we buy croissants, we actually buy croissants. Oh, you showing your snack? English muffin, I think, with strawberry jam. But this stuff, worth to buy. Looks like a new item. I never tried the original, but this is their Japanese dipping sauce. I wonder what makes it different. Oh my, okay. All right, I think I'm buying this. First time I'm trying bachan sauce, but it's not the original. It's their dipping sauce because I freaking dropped it like an idiot. I'm sure it's good. It'll be worth it. 10 bucks though. Never ever. Okay, so there's this YouTuber. His name is Bobby. He has a show called Bobby Approved, and he finds deals. But I'm kind of sad right now with him because on his YouTube short, he said that Annie's mac and cheese was on sale, but it's not. So it's normally 17 bucks. It was on sale for like $10. I was gonna buy a bunch of these, but unfortunately it's not. One of the problems is watching Costco content on YouTube. You know, videos, including mine, probably can pop up at any time. So it could be the same day, could be weeks later, it could be months later. And those sales are gonna definitely be different. So we buy that stuff, it's really expensive. So that would have been, I mean, that's like a 35% discount, maybe even more than that. With these 5 girls, and they love mac and cheese, that would have been a huge savings. Okay, all right, that's all you wanted to do, huh? Okay, you good then? Okay, let's see what these samples are all about.
Yay!
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Pikey.
Those are very, very crunchy.
Very, very crunchy?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're a pita bread
Ooh.
that's been baked.
Nice. So what's the flavor on them?
These right here are the Parmesan.
Ooh, you're gonna like that, baby. What do you say, babe?
Thank you.
You are so welcome.
Parmesan garlic pita breads. That'll keep you baked. Nice. Is that good, baby? This girl loves her free samples. So do I. I haven't been buying these dino nuggies because really they're not the healthiest source of protein. I like the real meat nuggets, but these kids, they just like what they like. So reluctantly, I'm gonna get dino buddies. I was hoping that they would like the other ones. You know what, it's not bad. It's not like they have it all the time. Do you like these chicken nuggets?
No.
You don't? Okay, I'm gonna put them back then. Now, of all the girls, I wouldn't be surprised if Bella doesn't like the dino nuggies because she's a real meat eater. Before she saw the steak and that's what she wanted to eat. It's my girl. My smallest, littlest baby Bella.
I like the chicken.
Oh, you like the chicken nuggets now? All that was for nothing? Are you just kidding around, Daddy? Anyways, yeah, she just loves her steak. Any kind of steak I make, chop it up,
Wow.
scarfs it down.
Wow, me.
It's my girl. Next samples coming up here. Ooh, noodles, baby.
Yeah, are these Japanese noodles?
Japanese ramen noodles.
Yes.
All right, baby, here you go. Hold it with 2 hands. I'm gonna have to help you with this one. Hold it with 2 hands. What? I will blow it, but hold it with 2 hands so you don't drop it, okay? Thank you very much. There's some chicken in here. You'll like that. Ramen. Big chunks of vegetables in there. That's interesting. That was good, huh? So this is what's inside of those fruit pouches. Go ahead, try it. Yeah, it's fruit. I love that. When I say it's fruit, she's willing to try it. Go ahead, you want it? It tastes like ice cream? Okay, that's good. Oh, now you want it, huh? You gotta hold it tight, you understand? You're doing a little taste test? There you go, okay. Oh, just like Daddy. Is it good? You have to make comments. Say, it's very, very delicious. So what I was saying, this is one of those fruit pouches. I know back in the day there was a lot of talk about whether they were good or bad. Sometimes they'd have weird stuff. I remember Mama even pointing out, because we used to give it to the girls all the time, that they were finding unwanted things inside of these pouches because you can't see what's inside. So forever, we stopped buying them, and the only pouches we do buy are the applesauce ones, which reminds me we need some more of those. So this one is immunity booster. Whatever this brand is, you're doing good things, because this girl said it was like ice cream. Not sure if that's good or bad. I'm assuming there's not added sugars, or at least hopefully not. Is that unusual that it's not that busy right now, Christmas Eve? It's not really common for me to go out on Christmas Eve, or at least I wouldn't think to come here because I would assume it's really busy, but it's actually pretty chill here today. Back to shopping for Christmas dinner. I was gonna buy some side dishes, which I don't usually do, especially from Costco, but it's gonna really save us a lot of time. So let's see what they have. And we used to buy these all the time. This is a roasted chicken and Swiss cheese wrap. Got chicken Alfredo down here. Chicken pot pie. Ooh, that looks really good. I was eyeing these ones. I don't know if we've got enough beef, but these are ground beef stuffed bell peppers. Hella bomb. What else do they got here? What else? Ooh, salmon. This is the salmon that Judy loved back in the day with the little butter. I'm not really seeing anything that catches my eye. They got a fruit and cheese platter here. Strawberries aren't looking good at all. Sandwich tray. Man, I feel like I should at least get this. Maybe the Caesar salad at least. Yeah, I'll just get this. Caesar salad, 10 bucks. I'll take it. So something else I've been loving cooking this year is just potatoes in general. Mashed potatoes, French fries, smashed potatoes. So versatile, especially if you're buying a good potato. Oh, that was good, huh? Can you throw it away for me in the trash? Go ahead, throw it in the trash right here. Thank you. Oh, these are meatballs. You want to try these meatballs? Man, you're having a whole breakfast here.
Cranberry jalapeno chicken meatball.
Oh. Let's see if it's
ready now.
It's ready now, baby. Hopefully she doesn't get a big chunk of jalapeno. Back to what I was saying, especially if you get high quality potatoes, look for ones grown locally. If you can, organic, always the best. Potatoes are literally swimming in the dirt and you don't want stuff in the dirt touching your potatoes. So much flavor makes a big difference versus just buying the cheapest potatoes. I'm probably just gonna end up buying a whole bunch of russet potatoes, organic ones from the grocery store, and then we'll probably make mashed potatoes to go with this roast beef. Oh, you're doing another thing? You showing it? Okay. You should have your own YouTube channel, Bella. You want your own YouTube channel? Cucumbers got that, apples got that, avocados don't got that. Brussels sprouts, okay. We're doing Brussels sprouts, I guess. Paper towels, okay, gotta get that. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be cold in here. You're gonna wish you had your shoes on, baby. But you're the one that took them off. March 11th, that's crazy. There's literally nobody back here. Gotta get paper towels. We use a lot of these during the holidays for sure, especially when we're cooking. I'll help you get out, but we gotta put your shoes on that you took off. Daddy gotta rearrange everything. Because the cart is so full and you got your shoes back here. There we go, that's good enough. Do you like Brussels sprouts? Mommy's gonna make Brussels sprouts tonight as a side dish.
No.
It's gonna be good. Okay, help me push, babe. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. On the hunt for Brussels sprouts. Definitely something that we've been getting into this year is roasting vegetables, and I'm sure that's what Judy's gonna be doing with these. We have a Breville air frying oven, and roasting vegetables in that has made vegetables so much better. And these girls actually eat their vegetables because they're delicious. What Judy's gonna do probably is soak this in garlic olive oil, roast it, maybe put some balsamic vinegar on top, and then we're good to go. Come on, baby. Okay, this is new. I've heard of Asian pears, but I've never heard of Japanese pears. Interesting. Kind of expensive. Almost, what, $3 each? Huh, I think I'm gonna try these. Girls probably like them. Judy also mentioned some avocados, so let's grab a pack of these. Looking for the applesauce. One of the downsides of Costco, not that many. One of them, they always move their products. Yeah, we need applesauce and Daddy can't find it. It's always been displayed at the front because it's probably such a it's probably such a well-selling product. But I can't find it. It's not where it's supposed to be. Maybe they don't have it, which would be a tragedy to get it next time. Found the applesauce and it's way over here in the corner. So, disaster averted. Are you happy that I found the applesauce?
Yeah.
Yeah. I came out to $450, and of course, because of me. Of course, I did treat myself today. A5 Wagyu. I never see that. I never, ever see the A5 Wagyu. Not a huge fan in terms of the price, but that's the best price I've ever seen it. So that'd be fun to cook that for somebody. Oftentimes when I buy fancy meat, it's just to treat someone out. Instead of buying that at a restaurant, cook it at home the way you want it for probably at least half, if not a quarter of the price. So how's that chicken bake, baby? It wasn't too bad. Christmas Eve, open early. By the time you see this, it won't matter, but next year, keep that in mind. It was not that crazy. Merry Christmas. Time to start cooking.
No.